I'm Mahatma Gandhi's closest and most favorite grandchild, and it is not what I say, but it is your daily press. Had an article on me. I was with Mr. Kofi Annan in Amsterdam. So here, please hold the pictures. So here, kids, there was a man called Mahatma Gandhi long ago, and he was for non-violence, and he invented a way by which people can fight without using violence, and so that both sides are victorious, both sides gain. And that's the same thing that our Lord Jesus Christ taught us 2000 years ago, that turning the other cheek and loving your enemy is a winner's game.
This is a video.
Mr. Jonathan, you are tremendous. You are Mr. Brian. You look so handsome. You got us wonderful coffee.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you for the coffee. You can move and look at Gandhi. Okay. Hello. You said
Go ahead.
hello.
Go ahead.
Doctor, you talk.
You want to see the screen? Okay, this is, I'm going to introduce with Dr. Kanu Gandhi, the grandson of the greatest peace icon in the world, Mahatma Gandhi, and he used to live with him most of his life and until his death. Here's Mahatma Gandhi's grandson, Kanu Gandhi. I'm going to turn the slideshow on, okay?
Let me answer. Thank you, Dr. Emerson. Thank you for this wonderful introduction, and thank you for helping me with the slideshow. Let me tell you in advance why we are here. We are here to celebrate the great Anglo-Saxon heritage that started with British Empire in India, and later we are celebrating in America this great day. I should say, before everything, I should say one thing, that Mahatma Gandhi was the first one who came up with an idea as to how we can get our justice without killing the single opponent. That means Bapu taught us. Bapu, when I say Bapu is my father, Mahatma Gandhi, forgive me, my grandfather taught the world that you don't have to be violent. You don't have to kill anyone. And simply by following the teachings of a great leader like Jesus Christ, a great teacher who was born 2,000 years ago, we can win, and we can win big. And so the heritage that British Empire gave to us and present American people has given to us is we are celebrating on this day. It is the fact that Anglo-Saxon tradition created by these two great countries, America and England, are so great is only because the fact that we are present here and we are part of that big culture, and we are here. So I'll be talking about Reverend Martin Luther King, and
you want to explain this picture?
Yeah,
yes.
You go ahead and explain.
So here is the picture with Mahatma Gandhi. I'm talking. Yes, this picture has a very unusual origin. Mahatma Gandhi was a monk, so he had actually asked his sons and their families to stay away from him. Why? Being a monk in the tradition of Saint Francis of Assisi, Mahatma Gandhi didn't have any relations. He had disconnected himself with any worldly or material goods. But when it came to a small child like myself, my age was just 1 or 2 days, and Bapu picked me up, Mahatma Gandhi picked me up.
So who is this child in front of Gandhi?
Right. So
That's him.
Yes, the child in front of Mahatma Gandhi is myself, and I used to be Bapu's puppy.
And what year is this?
This is 1936.
And how old were you in this picture?
That was 5 years old at the time.
You were 5 years old in this picture?
Exactly. And the thing about this picture is this, that it is published world over, and it is referred to as leader led by the grandson. So Winston Churchill saw this picture and used to make fun of Mahatma Gandhi.
This picture is called Leader Led by the Grandson.
Right, Leader Led by the Grandson. And it has been published in all countries. It has been published in Time magazine, New York Times, several times all over the world, London Times, and everywhere you see. So people start asking me questions. Who is this little puppy with whom Mahatma Gandhi, little affectionate boy with whom Mahatma Gandhi indulged so much? Mahatma Gandhi was a stoic monk. There are no pictures of Mahatma Gandhi with any of his sons.
So he was a caretaker and a father to you.
He was everything: friend, caretaker, father, dinner, lunch, breakfast, companion.
From 2 years old?
No, 2 days old.
2 days old.
Right, 2 days. That is what I am, because I was raised near him.